Today in IFL action, live from the Box Center, the Tulsa Oilers host the Green Bay Blizzard. Is it going to be freezing conditions inside the Box Center, or will the Tulsa Oilers put up some oil rigs and win the game at home in front of their rambunctious Tulsa Oiler fans? I am picking an upset, and the Tulsa Oilers will come out on top against the Green Bay Blizzard. 55-54, Tulsa Oilers win the game. And there is no sighting of Jack or any of them, because they will have enacted the icebergs that were in the Tulsa Oilers' way, and the Tulsa Oilers win.